that. Wait, it's loading. Confirm channel subscription. I sure want to subscribe to Darsh on web. Yep. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Darsh, your host for every single video, and you know that. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to get people automatically subscribed to your channel. As in, you never said to anybody, hey, subscribe, man. If someone lands on your channel, they get subscribed. Now, this will only work if you give them a link, which we will modify, alright? And they click on it, and then they will be prompted to subscribe. Now, yes, they can deny it because people can decide on their own, right? You cannot force someone to subscribe. This is why. So let's continue now. Let's start because we haven't started up yet. So what first you're gonna do is go onto your YouTube channel, alright? So basically, I'm gonna go to my channel, and if you have your own YouTube channel, go on to your YouTube channel, alright? So now, I'm going to go on my YouTube channel. There we go. So I'm going to pause this trailer because I don't want that. Now, on the address bar where your link for the channel is, in front of the link, you're going to type a question mark and sub confirmation, okay? I'll put that up on your screen so you can see what I'm talking about here. So, whenever you put that in front of your link, if anyone clicks on the modified link, alright, I'm going to copy that modified link now. We're going to copy. If anyone clicks on it, you'll notice that, wait, it's loading. Confirm channel subscription. I sure want to subscribe to Darsh on web. Yep. Well, no, I really cannot. The video got played. This video got played. I don't think you heard it. So yeah, it prompted me to subscribe. Now I could not subscribe because I'm logged into my channel's account. Okay. So yeah, this was just a quick tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye.